In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up budgets using Monarch Money. Whether you're new to budgeting or looking to streamline your financial tracking, Monarch Money offers a straightforward way to organize your finances. Let's dive into the process step by step. First, start by logging into your Monarch Money account. This is your hub where all your financial information will come together. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the dashboard, as this will be your main center of operations when managing your budgets. Next, navigate to the Budgets or Planning section. This is where you'll begin the process of creating and managing your budget. Once you're there, find and click the option to Create New Budget. This will open up a new space where you can input all the necessary details to get started. Now it's time to enter your income sources. Inputting these accurately is crucial as it forms the foundation of your budget. Start by entering your salary. Be sure to include any regular incomes, no matter how small, then proceed to add any side income you may have. This could be from freelance work, part-time jobs, or any other sources of extra cash. Don't forget to include other inflows, such as bonuses or gift money. Every bit counts when it comes to budgeting. Moving on, you'll want to add your expense categories. This part is where your budget really takes shape, providing a detailed map of where your money goes. Begin with essential expenses like rent or mortgage, and then input important categories such as utilities and groceries. Make sure to include all necessary living expenses to ensure you capture the full scope of your spending. Continue by adding categories for transportation and entertainment. These are areas where your spending might vary, so it's important to track them closely. Finally, don't forget to account for savings or investments. Designating money to these categories ensures you're also planning for the future, not just the present. With all your categories in place, it's time to set spending limits for each one. Think carefully about your typical monthly expenses and decide on reasonable limits that encourage smart spending habits. Adjusting these as needed helps maintain a balanced budget. Now, to make tracking easier, link your bank accounts or credit cards. This step allows Monarch Money to automatically track transactions, making it easier for you to monitor spending without manually inputting each expense. Once everything is linked, you can begin to monitor your budget. Monarch Money provides an excellent tool for tracking real-time spending against your limits. Keep an eye on this to ensure you're staying within your set boundaries. As you review your budget, don't hesitate to adjust allocations as needed. Life is dynamic, and your spending categories might need to shift from time to time. Lastly, consider setting alerts for overspending. This feature is great for keeping you accountable and ensuring you stay on track. And there you have it. You're all set to manage your budgets using Monarch Money. Remember, budgeting is an ongoing process, so keep revisiting and refining your approach to make the most out of your financial planning.